Hi guys, welcome to Cocktail Friday. Now today we're going to try something different. I'm going to go for a gin and basil smash. So what you need for that is about 10 to 12 basil leaves, fresh basil leaves. We got these from our own polytunnel out the back. Obviously you need gin, you need some simple syrup and some lemon juice. Now to start, you're going to put your basil leaves into your cocktail shaker. Now you're going to need about 20 ml of lemon juice. You're going to muddle the basil leaves with the lemon juice, really smashing the basil leaves, as I said. The colour out of it. Now, so then you have 50 ml of gin. We're using the pig's elbow again. And 20 ml of simple syrup. Fill that with ice. Give it a good shake now until it's nice and cool or cold. Get a bit of ice on your shaker. Get your rocks glass, fill it with ice, and you double strain the contents into your glass. So you get your small little tea strain, and here's your hawthorn strainer there. You can garnish it then with the flower of the basil leaf. The leaves there. Straws. And there you have your gin basil smash. Happy Friday everyone.